Hello guys, I'm going to be unboxing my favorite all-time classics from the OVO. Well, we can kind of imagine this is what the stupid OVO, but I mean I get it, they need to have it on there, but I still don't understand how they do it, because their Blu-rays and DVDs all not correct. But anyways, it's Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, the 2011 it's 2011, yeah, 2011 DVD. Here's the back. And unfortunately, you can already hear it. Yeah, you'll see. You'll see. Yep, see right there. 2011. It's not the 1971 version, / 2005. But they still have all the bonus features of 1971. Sorry, 2005. And if you search that one, yep, not gonna exist anymore. It just shows you straight. It gives you just straight to the, I don't know what to call it. Website for the movie. Yeah. They used to do a Willy Wonka contest for 2011, and it was pretty good, though. But I never won. But if I did win, it would draw the golden ticket. Keep in mind, they actually did draw the golden ticket. You'd have to have your camera ready. And, yeah. But it's sad. Children's gone. Julie.com gone. Anthony Nickerson's gone. And Jack O'Bertson's gone. These 3 kids are alive. Peter Austin's alive. Paris Phantom and whoever the dude is. I can't remember. But anyways, it's Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, 40 years ago, that's from Jada Wap presents Willy Wonka and País Enchanted. Yeah, it's Spanish is what Encanto is. And here's the Willy Wonka and Chocolate Factory 2011 DVD. And yeah, as you can see, you can't really see it, but you can kind of see it, but you can't really see it. But it's a stretch DVD, and there's literally only one hole. So, I really haven't tested it out, but I will test it soon. Oh, and here's my little tiny sticker bag. I love it, but I don't like Miriam at all because she doesn't stand. But yeah, that's Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory. Oh, and just here's one more time. Sorry, I didn't really see it. Join the expedition. Visit legendary Candyman, Willy Wonka, Gene Wilder. Rest in peace, Gene Wilder. In a splendorific movie that wondrously brings to the screen an endlessly advertising delight of Royal Dow's classic book, coated with flavorful tunes and production design that constantly dazzles the eye. The effervescent musical never fails to enchant young and old on a whirlwind tour of Willy's incredible edible realm of chocolate waterfalls, elfish influences, and industrial-sized confection. A boy named Charlie Peter Austin will discover the sweetest secret of generous woven heart, and you'll rediscover the timeless magic of delicious family classic. And guys, I already bought this movie on Amazon Prime Video, and it's not Warner Brothers. They have the original version. Yes, the original version, not Warner Brothers, the Paramount Pictures. The Paramount Pictures you should buy from Amazon Prime, but you also shouldn't buy Amazon Prime Video version. But anyways, that is Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory.